eFile.com Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to eFile.com are in the description if you want to check it out. Now let's get straight to the review. eFile.com is an online tax software designed for individuals and small businesses looking for an affordable and efficient way to file their taxes. It offers a user-friendly interface, guiding users step-by-step through federal and state tax returns. One of its standout features is the free federal filing option for those with simple tax situations, making it a strong competitor to other budget-friendly tax solutions. For more complex returns, it provides affordable paid plans with automatic calculations, deduction assistance, and IRS e-filing. eFile.com supports a wide range of tax forms, including W-2, 1099, self-employment, and itemized deductions, making it suitable for freelancers, independent contractors, and small business owners. A major advantage is its quick refund processing with direct deposit options. The software also includes built-in tax error checks to minimize mistakes before submission. While it doesn't offer live CPA assistance like some premium competitors, it does provide email support and an extensive knowledge base. Security-wise, eFile.com uses encryption to protect user data, ensuring safe transmission of tax information. Compared to bigger names like TurboTax and H&R Block, it's a more budget-friendly alternative without unnecessary upsells. However, its interface, while functional, isn't as polished as premium options, and state returns may cost extra. Overall, eFile.com is best for those looking for a straightforward, affordable tax filing solution without unnecessary add-ons. If you need a full-service experience with live support, other platforms might be better. But for cost-conscious filers who just need a reliable tax software, it's worth considering. Check the links in the description if you want to explore it further.